Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by reducing distractions. Close background apps and keep 1 or 2 windows for the task. Open the system quick settings or press the focus shortcut to enable the mode. This blocks notifications and mutes alerts. Choose a duration or set a schedule so you don't forget. 25 or 45 minutes works well. Once done, your laptop prioritizes active windows and saves CPU for the task, which helps you concentrate without constant interruptions. Now you refine behavior. Whitelist only the apps you need so background services don't interrupt you. Disable or mute chat and social apps and turn off auto updates for non-essential software. This prevents pop-ups and reduces CPU spikes. Adjust network settings by pausing sync or using a bandwidth limiter for cloud backups. Once configured, your laptop stays focused on active tasks, improving responsiveness and reducing cognitive switching costs while you work. To finish, turn off focus so queued notifications appear and your normal alerts return. Review anything urgent and restore full settings. If an app continues to interrupt, check its notification permissions and background activity settings. Some apps override quiet modes. If focus misbehaves, notifications arrive, or mode won't enable, restart your laptop and install pending updates. That resets system services. If problems persist, temporarily disable third-party.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.